Okay, so we're going to take a look at taking a bearing using the map and the compass, right? And one of the first big mistakes that people make is to just put the map and the compass together. I want you to avoid doing that. So what I want you to think about is when you're standing in a location and you're looking to go to another location, to think of the direction first that you're going to travel in. So if I was going to travel from Slieve Main to Slieve Sneacht, I would first of all think, what is the direction of travel? And from the map, I will figure that out. So the top of the writing tells me where north is on the map. So the top of the letters is north, the bottom of the letters is south, and then we have east and west. So if I'm standing here and I want to go here, my direction of travel will be northeast. Okay? Now that's important because when I go through all the steps of taking a bearing, at the end of the process, the number on my compass must be northeasterly. Okay? So this is my starting point, this is my finishing point. So what I do is I take my compass and I join those two. It's best not to use the edge of the compass. Use the long line in there because it'll cut through the 2 points with greater clarity. Okay, so if I use the edge of the compass, it obscures some of the detail. If I use the black line, it allows me to bisect the points very clearly. So what's important is that my direction of travel arrow is pointed from where I am to where I want to go to. So northeasterly, I join my 2 points. Now, what's important here next is that north on the compass bezel, not the north of magnetic needle north, goes to north on the map. So I have to rotate the housing so that the north on the compass goes to north on the map. Okay. What I need to do then is make sure that the lines in here, which we call the orientating lines, are parallel with the eastings on the map. Okay. So I'll adjust for that. And now what I see here is a number, 40 degrees. So a bearing of 40 degrees is the difference between north and where I want to go to. Now I need to allow for what we call the magnetic variation. So my 40, which is a grid bearing at the moment, needs to get 4 added onto it to become 44. Now if I was really there, then what I would do is stand up and I would turn myself around until I have red on red, and I wouldn't be following the north needle. I would be looking to see where the direction of travel arrow is pointing. Okay,